In today's video, we got this goofy ass jit that was smoking a blunt at Universal Studio in Florida. He's not a Florida man, I think, cause nobody in Florida would do something like that, but I guess something about the Florida area that makes people act stupid. He ended up catching a felony, bruh, at the end of the video, so stay tuned so y'all can see that part. And appreciate y'all boys watching, man. I hope y'all enjoy it.
I got it. We're going to check you for weed. So you need to put your hands behind your back. You're being detained. Stop. Now you're under arrest. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Hey, man, film this shit.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Film this shit. Film
Hold on.
this shit.
I got his left arm.
Film it. Man, film this shit.
Got it.
Hey,
man, I'm going to pepper spray you. Nope, we got him.
I can't
all right. We almost got him.
With my girl. What is wrong with you?
That's one.
Oh, my chest.
That's one. All right, we're good. We're good.
Get the f***. We got 12 cars for a clip of weed. Get the f*** me, piece of shit. Get the f*** me. Relax. I smoked a joint. I came to want to
let him sit on the ground.
fucking piece of shit.
Just let him sit.
Show my whole You literally
Just let
came
him
to watch
sit.
horror nights.
Just
so comfortable.
Hold on.
Bro, I can break my shit.
Let go of his wrist. Just let him lay.
Leave me the alone, bro. I don't want to hurt none of you hoe ass. I want to watch a show with my girls.
You're going to
from
jail.
Miami. Going to jail. You guys beat me up? Letting you beat me up?
We're going to pick him up, take him to the car.
You want me to help?
Just pick him up.
All right.
1, 2, 3. All right.
I don't know. Let's keep filming. This is great.
Where's the
I'm
car?
about to get that good lawsuit. Look at that good lawsuit. Y'all need to let me go, bro.
Stop twerking.
Oh, my arm is half
Keep
broken.
walking.
Leave my arm, bro. Shit is half broken. What am I gonna do to you, bro? It's of you. Like, what do I want to do to you? I came to watch or whatever that shit is. I'm weirdos, bro. I can't wait to see them. Out of you, man, record everything. God, my wrist, bro. What is wrong with you people, bro? You smoking a clip? Yeah, I hope. Ah, man. I hope you got the body cams rolling, faggot. You too. All of y'all pussies, bro. You're worried about a guy with a toy. Go do your job. Go do your job.
Watch out, watch out.
Come on, hurry up. I gotta go.
Stop moving. Yo, stop kicking me.
Just kick me.
Don't you dare kick me again.
You tripped me.
Back off.
You literally tripped me. Are you kidding me?
Yes, you did.
You literally tripped me.
Let's go. We're getting the car.
You literally just tripped
Good job. You just got a felony. Yeah. You good? Take one step over here, you're going to 33rd too. I'm not playing. Do not take another step forward or you're going to go to jail. Stay back.
I'm not back. I'm not forward. I went to the side.
All you do is turn around and leave.
That didn't have to happen.
Nope. Okay. Well, no, I'm going to just take him for the trespass and the resisting and the felony. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No? Orange County Jail. He's going to go there. He's going to get booked in. And then as long as he's calling the guards, they're going to let him make a phone call. Are you Nina?
Yeah.
So he's got your phone number written down. As long as he's cool with the guards, he's going to give you a call and post a bond. But if he does what he does here, they're going to safe book him, and they're not going to let him, they're going to hold him 24 hours. So he's calmed down now, but he can't be doing what he did over there.
How long does it process? Like 5 hours?
I'd probably say, depending on how busy it is tonight, he'll probably be calling you honestly in 2.5 hours to post bond. And there's bondsmen all up and down. I'll be right back.
That's where you know level 1. 1
Yeah. No.
Oh, no, no.
No, I didn't grab anything. Unless it was up front, I didn't grab a bracelet. I don't know. Unless it fell off back there during the arrest, I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Oh no, I didn't hand you a radio. Do you have a bracelet? Oh, you have it? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know where it's at. Unless it's on the hood or something like that. I didn't grab a radio. You guys got it? All right. Oh, okay.
Copy, you have an achievement on one of my...
Yeah, it's not right here.
Hey, he's going to cooperate. We're going to take the jacket off.
Perfect. No.
Huh? No?
Hey man, you can take off at the jail. As long as you're cool with them in the jail, they're gonna let you make a phone call like that. If you don't, they're gonna safe book you. You can take it off at the jail. Well, you just give us an issue, so you no, he can roll like that. He already fought, so he can roll like that.
If you watched all the way into the end, you're a real one, bro. We really appreciate it. Remember, this is a small channel. We trying to grow, and we trying to do our best. So give me some feedback. Tell me what I did wrong, what I did right. And another thing, to show my support back to y'all, my first 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving out cash prizes once I get monetized, just to show my support back. If you subscribing just for the cash prizes, I don't even want your subscription, you feel me? I just want to show my support back to the ones that was really there, bro, since the beginning, my day one subscribers, bro, you feel me?